Are you missing the Bootuwf Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. Before the walkthrough for Bootuwf Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Bootuwf Library, the Unified Write Filter, UWF, boot module. It facilitates the localized orchestration of the write filter at the boot level, protecting physical media from writes by redirecting them to a localized virtual overlay. Essential for kiosks and embedded localized Windows deployments. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. If Bootuwf Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Bootuwf Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Remember that Bootuwf Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing Bootuwf Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Bootuwf Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.